Welcome to Funshine Express Early Learning Curricula. Let us show you what you'll get in every Buttercups infant and toddler box. This box contains supplies for 2 months of thematic teaching and learning. With your first order, you'll receive a starter pack with wall displays, an open-ended play manipulative, and other items that you can use all year. The teacher pack is filled with hands-on teaching material to keep infants and toddlers engaged. The curriculum guide is the most important item in your teacher pack. It includes daily activities and childhood development tips. Inside, you will find instructions on how to use everything in your box. Every month, you'll receive 3 sturdy board books and 2 durable play manipulatives to go along with current themes. Newsletters are also included to send home to children's families. There's so much more in your box. We include a variety of age-appropriate art activities with supplies with 12 projects per child. Materials are organized to save you time. Each bag is labeled to help you find the activity in your curriculum guide. Teacher resources and children's supplies are delivered to simplify your day and create excitement for learning. Order your box today at funshineexpress.com.